Hi everyone, Prepper Del here, welcome to the channel. Today I just wanted to do a quick look at how my man cave has come along. So I've done a couple of videos on it, just showing you when I was roughly building it. I'm about 90% done now, so I have a few wee things to tweak on it, but let's take a little look at see what I've done so far. So previously you can see we were at the state of we were just putting the windows in. I still had the door and things like that to go on. So we've put the glazed door on, all the windows are in, all the sidings on. I've triple sealed the roof. So we've got 2 layers of felt plus bitumen board. So we'll take a closer look inside just now. So we've got a glazed door, all blinds and fittings. So this is the stage we're at just now inside. Take a little closer look. So it's just a little home office come man cave inside. I've still got the internal to finish off. It's just plywood. It is double insulated just now. So it's got the clad, it's got double plyboard, DPM, foam insulation and a normal insulation inside, so it's well insulated. I've got the roof left to do, which I need to insulate. I have used expanding foam in all the joints, so like you can see I've got a little bit more left to do inside. It's got the wee home office part in for when I need to use that. Obviously the chill zone, TV and things in there, and then we want to be doing my YouTube researching and things that I'm going to be doing next. Of course, it's just my little space and my little prep cupboard and whatnot. So I just wanted to show you that so far. And then the flooring, it's all laminate floored. The floor's got about 4 layers on it, so it's got DPM, plywood, DPM, plywood, and then the laminate, so it's well insulated. So yeah, we're just about there with the cabin. I'm pleased with it so far. So there we have it. That's the man cave. The kids call it Dad's Prepper Cabin. But yeah, I just wanted to let you see that. That's the progress on that. So we're nearly done. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Build your own if you get a chance out there. It is enjoyable, and you don't have to be that skilled to do it, just have a little bit of basic knowledge. But I'm pleased with how it's turned out so far. Like I said, I've got about 10% more to do. I need to get some guttering and some external fascia boards, but I'm very happy with it just now. So I just wanted to quickly show you that. Stay safe everyone, keep prepping. Prepper Del out.